Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm going to talk about Loopring today and show you how I almost missed this Loopring crypto rally. Does the future look bright for Loopring? Maybe so, because this cryptocurrency has been in a massive downtrend ever since March of this year. Take a look. Ever since the high was occurred in Loopring on March the 15th, 2024 to now is down 73, almost 74%. So maybe we might see a small move to the upside. Maybe we might see a small rally. Let's go ahead and talk about it. But before I do, welcome everyone who is new to the channel. This is what we do here. We create price predictions without the confusion. So if you guys want to learn more, join me, hit the like button, so you can also subscribe here for more content. All right, so now you guys can see here on this particular day, this is something that we need to talk about right here on August the 5th, okay? Where we saw this climactic volume hit this exchange. Somebody felt that Loopring was relatively cheap and they bought a whole lot of it. And ever since that time, look what's been happening to the price. Has the market gone down below the low of August the 5th? No, it hasn't. So this tells you that this is a buy zone right here. This tells you that the buyers stopped this massive downturn that's been going on in this cryptocurrency. So if we were to break this down like on a 7-hour chart, we should be able to see where that market ultimately stopped going down. And it's right here. Okay. So this is what we term a buy zone, meaning that buyers like the market here. They like the prices when Loopring came down to a dime. They really bought up this cryptocurrency the moment that it came down to a dime. So we need to identify that area market. Now, since we know where their buyers are, we need to know where the sellers are. Okay, here's another area of buyers right here too. Now, where do you think the sellers are? Sellers are simply people or algorithms who really initiated more selling than there were buyers at a certain price. And I think you guys can see right here is where a sell zone is. Okay, that's a sell zone. And it's not by coincidence that when the sell zone was created back on this particular day, July 29, 2024, it's not a coincidence that we saw the market stop right here on August the 24th. It's not a surprise. It's not a coincidence. We already topped and touched an area that we saw increased selling, more sellers than there were buyers. That's why the market in Loopring over the last, 3 days, it hasn't traded above that sell zone. So that's a problem. This is an issue. If you're looking for the price in Loopring to go up, you need to see the buyers take out those sellers at this range, which is around 15 cents to like 16 cents. They need to do that, which is one reason from our software, you guys can see we got that buy signal triggered, meaning that yes, the market is attempting to go up, but we know the reason why. If it doesn't, we would know the reason why. So take a look at Loopring here on the 2-day time frame. Okay, because I think we could draw another sell zone, and that's what we're going to do here. This is the other sell zone I wanted to show you. Okay, take a look at Loopring on the 3-day chart. Are you bullish or are you bearish right now? Do you suspect that Loopring wants to go up in price? I think it does, but we also see how the market in Loopring is getting rejected at this most nearest sell zone. Here's Loopring on the 5-day time frame. Quick look at Loopring on the weekly. It's a pretty good week, last week for the market in Loopring. But if we don't see higher prices, understand that zones are a lot stronger than price direction, meaning that direction tries to hit zones. And once it hits zones, then sometimes the market will reverse course, opposite direction, and then it may resume to higher prices, which is why I just want to prepare you to say, hey, if the market in Loopring doesn't go up, it's because the price direction, momentum, volatility pushed the price in Loopring from down here toward the dime to this most recent sell zone. So we may see from out the gate initially prices come lower. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Here it is on 3. Quick look on the 5 in Loopring. We're going to go ahead and clean up this chart right here too. We don't need these lines here. And let's look at this on the 7-hour chart again. Just trying to see if we have any instances to where sellers are more apparent right there around 15 cents. You kind of can see it, that they are more apparent right there. But I wouldn't be surprised to try to see this market in Loopring go a little bit lower in price. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play some strength in the market for Loopring. But we're going to hold down here around 11 cents, give or take, for support. Okay, so since we know that we're hitting a sell zone now in Loopring, let's see the market try to hold this buy zone down here and then try to come back up and hit that sell zone. So don't be surprised. So we need to have a very close target, knowing that we're at a sell zone in Loopring. So this would be our first target right here, right there around 15 cents. That's only 4.62%. I know it's not a lot, but it's what we're up against when we see market hitting zones. Second target is going to be right there around 16 cents, is around 9.86% there. And then our third target is going to be up here around 17 to like 17.5 cents. Okay, so that is it. Again, I'm not overly excited that this is going to be a massive rally or a big bull run for Loopring, because we can see the overall direction of price. We've been in this trend for an extremely long period of time. So for us to even get 20% out this market would be great. Just saying. Because I'm not looking for too much, like looking for Loopring around the 30 cents right now. I don't know, maybe we could see it on the monthly chart. Yeah, really don't need to see it on the monthly chart neither. So I'm actually finished. You guys are up next. You guys could drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if you guys think that Loopring is going to continue to go lower. It looked like we're already pretty much on the bottom in the market in Loopring on this particular crypto exchange, Binance, but we'll see. So go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.